Hello, my name is Brian Schieser from Trellis at the Heathman Hotel in Kirkland, Washington. And we're here today to show you how to make a Chinese mushroom and cheese dish. So we're going to start out with a very hot skillet. You can use a wok, which we have here. I'm going to use oyster mushrooms, button mushrooms, and cremini mushrooms, little broccoli florets, and a soft cheese called nigiri. So it's you can substitute, if you can't find nigiri, you can substitute in with buffalo mozzarella or baby mozzarella. So I'm going to start out with olive oil, a little ginger, and garlic together. I'm going to saute this lightly in our oil. I like to leave the mushrooms whole. We want a lot of flavor in this dish. We add our mushrooms in. We're going to let these saute. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Broccoli florets. Broccoli florets are the top of the broccoli, just the little flowers at the end. We want to let this saute until our mushrooms cook. This is a dish that makes a great side dish when you're serving rice. You have beef or a chicken or sauteed fried rice to go along with. Take our mushrooms and our broccoli flowers. We're going to put those into a bowl. Going to top this while it's hot with our cheese. And on that, we'll just put a little bit of pea sprouts, sprinkle of pepper flakes, and we have Chinese mushrooms with cheese.